All of us in the Retina Service are immensely proud of what we've developed over the last 60 years. Now, obviously, there are a lot of people involved from the very beginning. We're talking about, circa 60, 61, Bill Tasman, Love Serene, Bill Ansley. They were on the forefront of a specialty that was just developing, retina.
When the service was founded, lasers were really just coming into being. Retina was mostly a surgical field, and that meant retinal detachment, and that meant scleral buckling. There was no vitrectomy in the early 60s, at least not effective ones. Jay Fetterman, among others, came along about 10 years later and really upgraded the technology so that we could successfully do vitrectomy surgery.
And then starting in the 1970s and 80s, put together clinical trials that for the first time in a randomized prospective controlled fashion proved that different therapies worked. And that ushered in a whole new era in macular degeneration, and in diabetic retinopathy, in retinal detachment surgery. So that's the subspecialization in ophthalmology has been one of the great success stories.
It's like science fiction to me. If when I had started in ophthalmology, somebody told me that they were going to have a treatment for macular degeneration, that people were going to be able to regain not only reasonable vision, but reading vision and driving vision, I would have said, you are crazy. But now that happens all the time.
So I learned from the legends, Gary Brown, Bill Benson, Arch McNamara, Bill Ansley, Lovey Serene, who were my mentors.
Wills was very lucky to have tremendous, very different people all involved in putting together the Retina Service. And my whole professional career, I've loved hearing stories about all of those people.
What we're doing now, collectively, is expanding upon that, and we've done that very successfully. We're bigger and better than we have. We expanded as we went into our 50th anniversary, and now we're at our 60th. We're well over 20 superb clinicians, teachers, and researchers, and everyone plays a role in making us as great as we are. The research has never been stronger. We're now involved at every aspect of both medical and surgical development from a research standpoint and leading the field forward.
Well, the real challenge for the future in medicine as a whole is leadership. There are new challenges, new threats out there that are really going to take the best and the brightest, thinking about it hard, to meet. And for Wills to continue to hold its leadership role, we are going to have to step up to the plate, and we're going to have to continue to train and recruit and retain and bring in wonderful clinicians, scientists, teachers, and mentors so that we're training the next generation of leaders.
Our Retina Fellowship has never been stronger. We attract the very best from all over the world for both clinical and research retina training.
I'm so proud to be a member of the greatest retinal service in the world, and I'm so proud to be part of the program tonight, and I look forward to even better years to come.